tree will grow around anything. It'll grow around a rock, it'll grow around a piece of metal, it'll grow around, you know, and there's nothing that stops nature, right? Hi, I'm Brian with Root Cause, and today we're in Pioneer Square, Seattle, Washington, attempting to remove some stuck tree grates. Tree grates are awesome when trees are small. Tree grates are awesome when they're properly maintained. They're very difficult to maintain, however, and it rarely happens. What has happened with these is they haven't been maintained at all. And when I say maintain them, you have to be able to cut away the opening, so the opening, as the tree grows, so the opening gets bigger. Again, that is not easy, as we're learning today. In essence, we're doing a large-scale version of cutting the opening. In fact, we're cutting the entire grate away. If you don't increase the opening, over time the tree can lap the opening or literally start to grow around the metal. If the tree has any lean whatsoever, as a couple of these do, it pushes its entire weight down on that much of the grate, and then it keeps growing outwards. The tree will grow around anything. It'll grow around a rock, it'll grow around a piece of metal, it'll grow around, you know, and there's nothing that stops nature, right? Project, we needed to remove a number of tree grates that were starting to kick up, had either become trip hazards or were starting to damage the tree, or in some cases both. Most of them, as you can see, for instance, this one we were able to get right out. Grate is an extremely heavy iron. It just stays in place thanks to gravity. We were able to lift those out and get some gravel in, and then we're going to put porous pave in. A number of them, however, the tree had grown around them and they're totally stuck. Unfortunately, what we're having to do is cut the grates, which is not easy. It's about 5/8 inch thick iron. So we're using a plasma cutter to cut the grates and then try to break them off. This requires the amount of power that it takes to run a dryer in your house. We had to rent the generator and had to bring our own air compressor, and we rent the tool called the plasma cutter. And it's a slow process, but again, it just melts the iron, and then over time, maybe it melts the iron, and then as it melts, we whack it with a hammer and then break it off. Again, tree grates are awesome. They're beautiful. They work great when trees are small. They really look good on new development projects, and we see them all the time. Tree grates absolutely have to be maintained. If they are not maintained over time, they get kicked up by the roots and they become a trip hazard, or the tree grate will begin to girdle the tree. And then this beautiful thing that you've installed and paid a lot of money for, that looks so good, over time, and not a very long time, becomes a problem for the tree. You can see this buttress root of the tree has grown right over the top of the grate. It's overlapping it by more than an inch. The entire center of the tree has overlapped this section probably by an inch or more. And again, no matter how hard we tried, we couldn't get this one out. We also have a buttress root on the other side. So this side of the grate is extremely stuck. And this, there's an expression I learned years ago, which is that trees that grow well cause problems. If you see tree grates in your city that are damaging the tree, call us at Root Cause. At minimum, we can advise you. We may be able to help you get those out.